Hey there, educators. Today I'm diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, robotics, and generative tech, and how they're revolutionizing education and scientific research. Buckle up because the future of learning is here. First up, let's talk about AI in the classroom. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. AI algorithms can analyze data to identify strengths and weaknesses, helping teachers create customized lesson plans. This means no more one-size-fits-all education. Instead, students get the support they need to thrive. Now, on to robotics. Robots aren't just for sci-fi anymore. They're already being used in classrooms to teach coding, engineering, and even social skills. Think about it, a robot that can assist in experiments, answer questions, or even facilitate group projects. It's like having a high-tech teaching assistant at your side. But wait, there's more. Don't worry. Generative AI is taking things up a notch. This technology can create new content, from writing essays to generating art and music. For educators, this means endless resources at your fingertips. Need a new worksheet? How about an interactive story for your students? Generative AI can whip it up in no time. Scientific research is also getting a boost. AI can process vast amounts of data in seconds, uncovering patterns and insights that would take humans years to find. This accelerates discoveries in fields like biology, chemistry, and physics, paving the way for innovations we can only dream of today. So, what does this mean for you? Embrace these technologies and integrate them into your teaching. They'll not only make your job easier, but also prepare your students for a tech-driven future. The classroom of tomorrow is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's shape the future of education.